Hello, Research Fellow. Today, I'm going to show you what to do after you've finished filming. Now, you have to go through the important process of taking the movie files and moving them from the camera to your computer. The first thing you're going to do is eject the SD card from the camera that you're using, and then you're going to plug it into your computer. There's usually an SD slot somewhere on the side, but you might have to look a little bit for it. After you've inserted the SD card into your computer, you're going to have to pull up the files that are on it. Now I'm going to show you some tricks that are going to work, even though your screen might not look quite the same as mine. You can start by opening up any folder, and on the left-hand side there's a quick access menu. We're going to scroll down until you see anything for the SD card. You're going to click that to open it, and there should be a folder marked DCIM. You're going to open the DCIM folder, and in it you're going to find the folders you need. I like to have icons in order to do it. It makes it a little easier for me. After you've located all of the movie files that you need, we're going to move them into the folder for your fellowship project. The easiest way to do this is to select all the video files and then drag them into the folder. One of the ways you can accomplish this is by locking the folder that contains all of the files that you need to one side of the screen and locking your fellowship folder to the other side. All you do is grab it by the top, drag it all the way to the side, and it will fill it. So we're going to select all of the video files that we need. We're going to start by clicking the first one, and you can hold Shift and click the last one to select all of them at once. And we're going to drag them and drop them into your fellowship folder. Now that you've got all your video files where they need to be, we have to incorporate them into Premiere so that we can start working on them. So to do that, we go up to Add Media, select Files and Folders, and we go to your fellowship folder. Then we simply just select everything and import it. Or if you only need to import what's in the entire folder, you can always click Import Folder. And here it is, ready to be added to your Premiere file.